God, look at everything flying out of it. Let's go take it. Let's go. Let's take it off the park.
That video was the perfect example of what not to do. I'm glad those guys were all right. Now, watch the video Post-Tornado Damage at Charleston Square Apartments that is linked to the point. Here's what it looked like after the tornado went through these apartments.
That's the National Guard base. These units up here, I mean, there's nothing. Well, yeah, it was that tree right there is this pile of rubble right here.
They are standing in the courtyard of the apartment complex. Here's the gate for the pool, and you will shortly see the pool.
Oh my God.
There's the pool. Do you see any cleanup efforts underway in the video? What are they? Compare the post-tornado imagery to the Bing Maps aerial image. Was the apartment damage repaired by the time the Bing Maps aerial was flown? And as we saw, indeed it was. Move to the point labeled Parkland. What damage could have occurred there where no buildings existed? Move northeast to the point labeled Central Church of Christ. Do some research on the day of the week in which the tornado occurred. Why does the day of the week in which storms occur affect the potential injuries and fatalities, particularly to buildings like churches, schools, hotels, office buildings, and stadiums? Can you think of other buildings where the day of the week matters? Move northeast to the point labeled University Place Elementary and Middle School. Toggle between the world imagery and the Bing Maps aerial. Can you find any new construction at the school since the tornado occurred? See where my mouse is right here? Looks like they built a new structure in addition to the school. On what side of the pre-existing buildings, indicate cardinal directions, was the new building constructed? Now move northeast to the point labeled Forest Lake. What damage could have occurred at the lake even though there were no buildings there? Move northeast to the point labeled University Mall. Was the mall noticeably damaged during the tornado? What are the dangers involved in a tornado striking a mall? Where do you think the safest places to take cover are if you were at a mall when a tornado strikes?